Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to look at how to open a new cash register using the Dakis Unified Commerce solution. First, let's log in to our My Dakis account as normal. Here we are in our My Dakis account. In the top right bar on the home screen, we can see an indicator letting us know whether we have any registers currently active. Let's click this now to open up the menu dropdown. Next, we'll click the Open Register button. This will open the Open Cash Register modal. First, let's select our store, our register, and the payment terminal available for that register. In our case, I'll select Dakis Verdun Store Lab Counter P400. In the section for opening balance, we'll add our float amount. Once everything looks good, we'll go ahead and hit the green Open Register button at the bottom of the modal. A message will pop up saying we've successfully opened the register. As you can see, the indicator text now says we have an active register. If we click on the register icon, we can see more info on the register seat active on the device we selected. When we are done with the register for the day, we simply need to click the Close Register option. This opens the Close Cash Register modal, where we can see the closing balance reflecting the transactions from the day. If either all the registers or the specific one you need are currently taken, we'll need to close the session before we can use a register. Since we have clerk-level permissions, we can't interact with register sessions on other devices. We'd need an owner or buyer permission level to have that access. Let's go through how to switch permissions. If we click on the clerk POS icon in the top right corner of the black bar, we'll open the account dropdown. To switch permissions, we'll click on the Switch User option from that list. This will bring us back to the login screen. Once we've done that, we can click on the Registers button to open that page back up. You'll notice that we now have the ability to edit a register. Let's click Edit on the register we want to close out. We'll hit the Close Register Session button at the bottom of the page that opens up. Next, we'll click the Back to Cash Registers button at the top of that same page. At this point, the owner or buyer can log out and the clerk can log back in. We'll do that now by following the same process as earlier, clicking on the username icon and switching the user. The clerk can then log back in with their account credentials. The register we wanted to use previously should now be available. Important note: a cash register will always be linked to a specific browser and device. When you open a register, the register seat is linked to that browser and device until the session is closed. That device can be any Mac or PC computer, Android tablet, or iPad. Mobile devices work as well, although the register is not optimized for those screen sizes. And there we go. That should be all you need to know to start opening and closing registers to use for your transactions. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.